Hey guys, how's everybody doing? How is everybody doing tonight? Guys, I wanted to chat earlier. I don't think I enabled the live chat somehow. So I'm going to try this again. If you'd like to watch the one I posted earlier today, I spoke for about 30 minutes on Dogecoin and the state of the market this week. If you guys want to check that out, I would appreciate if you will view that. What I'm going to do is pull up the charts for Dogecoin on TradingView. Right now it's at 2 cents. It's trying to get to 3 cents right now. That is the Robinhood view right now. Here's Squiddles. I'm going to put her up here. She's going to help me out. If you are here, please say hello in the chat box. Alright. So here we are on TradingView. It's listed as a buy. It is listed as a buy right now. Okay. I'm going to try to put a better view of it so you can see where we're at. We're at almost 3 cents. 0.028 right now. How's everybody doing? How is everybody doing? Okay, I'll minimize that. Guys, if you're here, say hello in the live chat. I would love to chat with you. I'll give everybody a chance to hop on. I have a ridiculous amount of Dogecoin right now. I have 70,500 shares at an average cost of 4 cents, 0.0443 to be exact. And it is, of course, down. Everybody knows it took a hit today. But it is trying to climb back up. It is trying. It is trying. TradingView's got it listed as a buy right now. Let's read an article real quick while everybody's hopping on. Dogecoin and Bitcoin crash as Elon Musk effect subsides. Of course, that effect had it spiked this week up to about 8 cents a share, and we are sliding since then. In the past 24 hours, Dogecoin has fell 39.74%. But I suspect the next time that we have a tweet or a significant blast out from a celebrity, it will get another push. It will get another push. And we can get it going again. We can get it going. Come on, let's get past 3 cents, guys, tonight. Let's get past 3 cents. Let's go. Anybody in Dogecoin, comment in the chat section. Let me know how much you have, how many coins you have, and what price you got. Let's take a look at the zoomed in chart. Right here you can, let's try to make that bigger. There we go. Boom. Let's see if we can move it over some. There we go. There we go. That's better. We can see what's going on here. It's kind of doing all kind of funky stuff there. There's no really defined pattern to this that I can see right now. Zoomed in this far. Maybe if we zoom out a little bit. I mean, possibly you could maybe call that a janky bull flag. There's the flagpole and the flag, and then usually that shoots up, but I don't know. This has been doing all kind of weird funky stuff. It really doesn't follow any sort of technical analysis pattern because of the state of the stock market this week. Guys, if you're here, chat in the chat and say, what's up, Nora? What's up? Let me change the settings here. Stream health is good. Okay. Alright, we're good. We're good to go. We just gotta wait for some people to come in. I got the squiddle bug here helping me out. Let me know where you're watching from. Let me know. I really would love if this would stay above 3 cents. I feel a whole lot better about my investment. But I'm holding long term, guys. I am not going to cash this out at a loss, that's for sure. We're getting these readings. Here it is. Scheduled maintenance. We're experiencing an issue impacting the display price of Dogecoin on iOS and Android. Please update your app to the latest version or use a web browser to view a more precise market price. So are they in scheduled maintenance right now, or is this just something that they put up here? I mean, I was able to buy while these messages were up yesterday. I was still able to buy some. So if you really want to buy, you can just go ahead and try to buy it. It's probably going to go through. There was a delay when I sent the order in. It did register, but then it didn't reflect in my account for a couple minutes. So I'm sure they're bogged down. Why, I don't know, because they should have amazing servers. They should be ready for this. We got these stimulus checks coming out. I mean, come on, Robinhood. You know, you had plenty of time to get ready for huge amounts of volume. It's always freezing up on me. I'm really not a huge fan anymore whatsoever. I like showing TradingView because it's not a broker. It's a tool you can use to look at charts, and they have a whole community in here too. And if you'd like, I usually post a link so you can get it through my link and I will get some credit. I would appreciate the support of the channel if you could use my link if you want TradingView. So let's just play this for you guys. We'll watch it play out. It had a nice little run up earlier today, and then I think when it got to 0.0300, like around when 3 cent even, like a lot of people must have had a sell order in for that price point. And it was going up nice, it was even moving nice, there was nice volume. It was moving, it moved up, and then all of a sudden, boom, it died because all these people had these sell orders. And guys, the whole idea of this is to hold it. If you're trying to make a statement, if you're just going to buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell, you're not making any statement because it's not going to go up and stay up. It's just not. It's going to just go sideways and flounder around like a fish out of water. I mean, all this is just not doing anything, right? Just some sideways nothing. Or some people call it consolidation. I mean, it's not the worst thing in the world. It's definitely not the worst thing in the world. But not what we want to see. We want to see a nice big green candle go pew to the moon. Littles is snoring. She said, I'm not watching Dogecoin all night. You guys got me messed up. You guys got me messed up. Come on, let's get over 3 cents, guys. Let's get over 3 cents. Guys, if you can hear me and if you can see me, please leave a comment in the live chat so that I know. I'm going to get my buddy to comment. Alright, there we go. Alright, we got somebody. Hey, Oliway. Thank you for stopping by. Yes, I do. I have 10 shares of AMC that I got in to a couple months ago. I'll show you those. So let's go to account. So it's not much, but you can see I bought it way before the hype. I bought it at $3.21, and I have 10 shares. So it's at what, $13.45 right now? I think it's going to run up real nice this week, upcoming week. If you have it, I will give it some room to run this weekend for sure. I jumped in Virgin Galactic at a nice time too, but I sold some of it. I got in at 32 and it's up to 44. That's another one that I could see having huge potential. Huge. How you doing, Oliway? Where are you watching from? Do you have some AMC? Hopefully you do. I think you'll make some money this week on it, but I wouldn't hold it for too long. Don't get burnt. Set a stop loss on it so you don't get burnt. Awesome, Washington, D.C. I'm originally from Philadelphia. I was born and raised in Philly, and now I'm down in Orlando, Florida. And I like to talk about stocks with anybody willing to listen. Do you have any Dogecoin? I have 310. Oh, wow. Oh, you're going to get paid. Diamond hands, baby. That's right. Diamond hands. I'm a multimillionaire. You can oh, get out of here. Okay, I'll add you. Oh, man. That is amazing. Welcome, William. Awesome. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. This helps my channel. It's a small channel, but I have a really great group here when we do the live chats. You can check me out every Friday night. I get in Lucas Murphy's live stream and I chat for, usually it goes for like 2 hours, and we just talk about the week in the stock market, and it's a really good time. If you want to chat every Friday night, we chat 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time if you want to jump in. Yes, it is. Oliway, yes, it is. I bought in on it kind of on emotion because I was hoping to ride the hype train, which of course is risky, but at this point I have to hold it till it gets over 4 cents. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I think it'll slowly, get back up there. I just have to be patient. I'm certainly not going to sell it for a loss. But would I jump in it if I had to do it over again? I don't think so. Not with the amount of money I jumped in with. Absolutely not. I have a ridiculous amount of shares. Gotta go. Thanks, William, so much for stopping by. And good luck with your AMC, man. I appreciate you stopping by. Thanks so much. Who else we have in here? What's up? Let's see what we got. All right. Yeah, guys, it's just kind of going sideways right now. We needed to do the rocket thingy. We definitely need to do the rocket thingy. I'm thinking by the time people's instant deposits clear, maybe Monday or Tuesday, we can see a whole lot more action, at least from people using Robinhood. But that is, of course, not the only broker you can use to buy Dogecoin. But you can't buy it with Coinbase, which is what I keep reading, which is too bad, because I think it would be having a much better weekend if you could, for sure. Wow, 500 and whoo, that's gonna be sweet. Looks like you have something special. Hey, Lucas, what's going on? Guys, we got Lucas Murphy, stocks, investments, and entertainment in the live stream. If you haven't already checked out his page, go ahead on over. He's on YouTube. He loves to cover the drone stocks and the drone sector, and he does a great job. And his videos are going to help you make some money, because now's the time to jump in on the drone stocks, guys. What's up, Lucas? Thanks so much. I know the weekends are normally your family time, so I appreciate you stopping in and saying hi. I appreciate it. I have a couple of the meme stocks. I don't have all of them, and I never did get into GameStop stock. I never got into that because that just went up too fast, and that's just too pricey right now. I just was like, yeah, no. But congrats to everybody that made money on it. I mean, looking back, that was an amazing opportunity. I just didn't like the share price. Even at the beginning, I thought it was kind of high, and I didn't feel safe jumping in on it. Have a great night, Lucas. Thanks so much for stopping by the live stream, and I'll be chatting with him this Friday on his live stream, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's a lot of fun. You guys want to check out his channel, and you can even become a member. It's $5.99 a month, and he'll send you his watch list and some private, members only videos that he makes just for members and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. And he has a cool t-shirt line. He has some pretty cool t-shirts. He's got the links over in his channel with all the swag. It's pretty cool. I got an OG t-shirt, and I'm going to get some more t-shirts, but right now I just have one that says OG, because I've been supporting his channel from the beginning, so we're his OGs. Oh yeah, guys, he lives near the AMC Entertainment headquarters. Can you imagine that? There's going to be fireworks going off over top of that bad boy this week. That stock, whoo, that's going to make a lot of people happy this week. For sure. Let's take another quick peek over at the Doge. We're getting close to 3 cents. It's got a little bit of momentum going, just a little bit. Yeah, guys, this Doge has me on the edge of my seat, but you know what? I'm not stressing about it. I'm not going to stress about it because I didn't put any money in that I wasn't willing to lose. Did I want to lose $1,000? No, of course not. But my account's still going to be okay if I do, okay? And I like to be in on action with you guys. I like to follow it with you guys. And if it does turn out, I'm going to donate some money to a dog rescue charity and do something positive, something with the money that I make from this, if in fact I do make money off of it. So yeah, I definitely want to give back. So if you guys want to do that as well, I think that's a nice little idea. If you want to donate to a dog charity, I know Lucas is going to be doing that very soon as well. Oh yeah, Lucas, I bet they are partying it up over at AMC. Oh man, that's going to be a great place to be. Can you imagine working there this week? Man, I know they're stoked. Of all the 500 or more stocks they had to pick, they picked AMC as one of them, and they are going to get stupid rich. They are going to get stupid rich on that. Pretty crazy, guys. This is pretty crazy. Do I think this is going to go back up to 5 cent, 6 cent, 7 cent, maybe 10 cent? I would say in the next 3 months. Yeah, I really do. I really do think so. So I'm not too worried about it. I don't need instant gratification. I know a lot of people are impatient. You got to be patient, guys. You got to be very patient. Lock in what you bought and just, you know what, don't look at it. Forget about it. I got it up here because I like to talk. I like to chat about the stock market. But I certainly don't want to spend my entire day looking at the Dogecoin chart. But I'm putting this up here because I want to see where you guys are watching from and what's going on, and give you guys an outlet to chat about Dogecoin or any other investments that you may have had this week. Hey Nora, what does the chart say? What does the chart say about HCMC? Let me check that out for you. Okay. HCMC, which is Healthier Choices Management. Wow, that's super cheap. It's like less than a penny. That's like a mega super penny stock. Up 28.57%. Oh yeah, she popped on Friday. Looks like Friday it popped. Let's pull up the daily chart. Yeah, it's still got that crazy looking chart because the volume is super low. But if you zoom out to the let's zoom out to the month chart. Oh yeah, she's starting to have a come up. Boy, that would be an excellent. Can you imagine how many shares you can buy at 0.000900? Financials at $84 million market cap. Looks like they got it long-term bullish. It's a holding company which focuses on providing consumers with healthier daily choices with respect to nutrition and other lifestyle alternatives. It operates through the following segments: grocery and vapor. The grocery segment offers fresh produce, bulk foods, vitamins, supplement. Looks like good stuff. People are getting more into health, especially with this health crisis going on. The best thing you can do to invest in yourself is take care of your health. And that goes for trading too, guys. That definitely goes for trading too. Don't forget to take care of yourself. Get yourself a little exercise. Get out in the fresh air. Go play with your pets outside. Do something active. Take your dog for a walk. Stuff like that. Don't be sitting inside in these four walls going crazy watching the stock market all the time. You want to try to be healthy. Try to remember to do that. I'm not always the greatest at it, I'm not going to lie, but you do got to take care of yourself. So I hope you like what I showed you there. It's super cheap. It's less than a penny. So, I mean, shoot. That might be worth a YOLO just as much as the Dogecoin is, That might pay you off. Lucas has gotten into a lot of, he's made an amazing amount of money in the past year with his stock picks. Like, he's putting out, these amazing stock, like SPACs and different upcoming drone stocks that are just gonna create massive returns, and I'm in a couple of them, but I'm not in all of them. He's kind of got his fingers on the pulse of a lot of these upcoming stops that just blow up huge. So you guys want to definitely watch his channel for some of these call outs, and this looks like that might be definitely one for the radar, for the watch list. This HCMC. If you guys have any other requests, shout them out. We're almost at 3 cents. Come on, Doge, go! We need a nice little pump. We need a rally. Hopefully everybody's at home tonight and like they're feeling happy and they just start buying some Doge. Come on, guys. Let's unify and get this baby up at least to 5 cents again. Goodness gracious. This could have been like a weekend to remember. I hope at some point we all are like, you know what? Now's the time. Let's do it. And send that baby to the moon. You guys have any more requests? I have TradingView. I subscribe to it. It's not free, so if you have something you want me to look up on here, I'd be happy to do that for you guys. Be happy to do that. If you guys haven't heard of Ag Eagle, this is my favorite stock, my best kept secret. Ag Eagle Aerial Systems. It's under $10 right now, which is ridiculous. It's listed as a buy. I mean, read up on Ag Eagle. I did several videos on Ag Eagle. If you want to learn about it, if you want to head to Lucas Murphy's page, he's going crazy. He even interviewed the CEO of Valkyrie, which, if you don't know what Valkyrie is, they're creating the receptacles where the drone flies down and deposits the package into like this mailbox device, which has elevators and sensors and all kind of cool stuff. It's basically kind of like the drone industry, but you're working backwards. Valkyrie worked on where it comes to the end of the line, which is the mailbox, so to speak. So they're going to be creating these landing pad type mailbox receptacles for everybody, because I don't know anybody else making them, to be honest with you. And Ag Eagle is the one manufacturing them because they have a partnership. So that's kind of like, what? Yeah, guys, get yourself some Ag Eagle stock if you haven't already. It's ridiculous. It's so exciting what they have planned, and they just did an acquisition. It's just, this company just keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. I love following the drones because they're cool to begin with, but I mean, this is just getting started. The things they're going to be able to do with the drones is incredible. It's incredible. I'm even trying to imagine that they could do advertising with the drones. You know, that would be cool. Put like those flags like you see on those airplanes that fly back and forth on the beach with the big letters on them. Imagine attaching that to a drone, and then you got this flying advertisement flying all over the place. Ag Eagle, if you're watching that, give me credit for that idea, because I think that's a good idea. We're getting very close to 3 cents, guys. But the last time we hit that, it tanked out because a lot of people have their sell orders placed at 3 cents. Let's hope we can break through that resistance at the 3 cent mark. At the 3 cent mark, which is right here where the dotted line is. Come on, let's break through that and keep going. Let's break through that resistance and keep going. Look, it touched it. It touched it once, twice. It's going to tag it again. Come on, guys. We need to break through that so we can take it to 4 cents. get everybody excited, get everybody pumped up. Get everybody pumped up. Oh, see? Here we go. Red candle. It's like two opposite magnets coming together. It just rejects it right at that line there. Guys, who else is watching? Where are you guys watching from? I like to talk, if you haven't noticed. You can ask me anything. You can ask me what kind of equipment I'm using. You can ask me how long I've been trading. Whatever. This is Littles. I think she's sleeping on my shoulder right now. I'll show you some of my better performance stocks. You can see I bought Ag Eagle last year at $244, and it's made me $372. That's just 50 shares. My friend Lucas has a ridiculous amount of shares. Like I think he has 3,000 shares. And I got this 10 shares of AMC, which I'm excited to hold on to. Let's scroll down. I got some Tootsie Roll. Guys, I think that would make the funniest meme stock if Tootsie Roll took off. So I grabbed some just because I thought that would be hilarious if the WSB crowd got a hold of Tootsie Roll, right? Just trying to guess. That would be pretty cool. Another best kept secret right here, which is down right now, but I'm not even sweating it, is Editas. They edit genes. They work with CRISPR, and they're the ones that are able to do gene editing therapy to practically edit diseases out of your genome, out of your genes. Can you imagine? So in effect, they will be able to cure diseases. If you haven't checked out Editas, ticker symbol EDIT. I have 25 shares. I might scoop up more on Monday. This one is going to be a huge money maker. FYI. I love the bio stocks, like the ones like BNGO and CRISPR and Editas and Illumina. And I have another one. I mean, it's just so cool what they're doing, guys. Sundial! Let's check out Sundial. That's another one I wish I grabbed this week, for real. But, I mean, I think it's SNDL, right, guys? Sundial. Sundial is at 81. I see Sundial breaking $1. Easy peasy, no problem. It's listed as a buy. People have it long-term bullish. Breaking out. You see this person drew the chart out. Thank you, Gordon Lim 214 for this. You can see it's making a pennant here. Usually when it gets to this apex, it pops to the upside. He's got it popping up towards up to $1.30. Potential breakout to the upside coming soon after a final dip. So he's got it dipping a little bit, but then he's got it shooting up from this apex here. And I tend to agree. I think this is going to pop over $1 this week, as a matter of fact. This week. Duluth 65, do you have some Sundial? I have Clever Leaves, CLVR, which is another cannabis stock that is very, very under the radar and is going to be huge. I'll show you CLVR. Let's go back. And thanks, guys, for watching. I appreciate it a lot. CLVR, I'll show you Clever Leaves. They're based out of Colombia. You might say, well, that sounds sketchy. Actually, no. One thing you don't know about it is the elevation in which they have the greenhouses. There is a very low pressure of pests. So the pests can't survive at the certain elevation that attacks the plants. So they have a benefit. Another thing they have a benefit of is lower cost labor there. Okay? And this company actually has a global footprint. They're over in Germany. They're going to be all over the place. And they have clearance to make the medical products. This stock is sitting at $8.90. This is a steal. It's saying sell. I don't know why. I guess it's just not hot this week. But guys, so just put this on your radar. Clever leaves if you like the cannabis stocks. Options, $1 call. Woo! Be careful with those options this week, guys, but I do wish you luck. That one might pay off if you can get it filled. I'm just a little scared of options in the next couple weeks because what I think is big money is going to know that these options are going to come out and they're going to try to kill the options. You know, that they know how to manipulate the market to kill these options. So just be careful. I would recommend shares, but if you do $1 call option, like a long call, maybe out to like March or April, that might, then I could say, yeah. I would say, yeah, you could probably do good with that. But just be careful with the options. Big money's angry. June, there you go. Boom. Yeah, that's not a bad idea. I like that idea. I like that idea. Where are you watching from, Duluth65? I'm streaming from Orlando, Florida. Let's see what that cost. SNDL, if it lets me look it up. Sundial Growers. Yeah, they had it 2 days ago. You couldn't even do a search on some of these stocks. You tried to search it wouldn't even come up. It was like the Twilight Zone. It was like the Twilight Zone, guys. Like you'd get up here and you'd be like Sundial, SNDL, and like it would be black, like nothing will come up. Like, you don't tell me that's shady. Like, that was super sketchy. Minnesota, awesome. You got in at 0.335. That's pretty sweet. Nice. I gotta put that on my watch list. That's one I kind of slept on. I'm gonna wait. Maybe I can get in on a dip too. I'm trying to be patient and get the best entry price that I can get. What else do you have? Guys, what else you got going? I got in Tootsie Roll, AMC. AMC I actually made $600 on in my Webull account, and I sold it. I sold it the day before they froze it, so I got real lucky on that one, or I would have been kind of stuck. But now I bought Doge like at 0.044, and I'm stuck. I'm like down like $1,000. But I'm not feeling too bad. This is an exciting thing to watch. It's this is like a part of history to be a part of some of these stocks that are trending right now. It keeps hitting this resistance right here. Bing, bing. Like, come on, guys. We need to break through that 3-cent resistance point. She is being stubborn. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, if you grab it, hold on to it. What I did, I bought some, I sold it. I made like $65 on Friday, and I'm looking at my phone and I'm like, I want to get back in. Like, as soon as I sold, I was like, I liked having Dogecoin. And then I got carried away. And the next time I bought in, I bought way too many. I got caught up in the emotion of it, which isn't like me. I am a rather conservative trader and investor. I usually swing trade or I'll hold long term. Occasionally I'll play some options. I played a whole bunch last year when I learned how to do it. At first I was hitting home runs like on 80% of them, and then my success rate dropped to about 50%. Like like every other option I bought would expire worthless. And I said, you know what? I need to start going back to investing in shares only. You know, I can't go too crazy with the options. If you guys ever watch Jeremy Lefebvre, you know, he's got 3 channels on YouTube. He says if you're in the market less than 3 years, you shouldn't even be looking at options. He didn't start playing options until he was in the market about 5 years, and here I am, first year, like going like. Sometimes I would have 3 or 4 or 5 of them going. But I can't complain. I did decent last year. More than decent. I was like pretty proud of myself. I did a paper trading tournament with the Capitalist Academy. Guys, everybody that's watching, if you want to join the Stock Market Academy, I joined Capitalist Academy last April. I believe it was April. Before the prices went up. And I listen to the live stream every weekday morning from 9:15 to 10:15. I watch the live stream and I listen to it, and I chat with the guys in the Discord, and it's a nice group to be a part of. For this weekend, if you want to join that, and there's links to it in the description of all my videos. You can type in the code GameStop, all one word, and you're going to get your first month for free. Now, after that, it's $100 a month, but most of the members will tell you that pays for itself because of the call-outs that you get and the information that you get. He has a black box that he runs in the background, and if you want some information off of that, that shows you what big money is doing, which gives you that edge. Now, to own Black Box, it's like $100 a month to own Black Box. But if you're in Academy and you get on the live chat every weekday morning and you want some of that information, you just say, hey, can you, what's the flow on like AMD, say, for example, and it'll tell you, oh, big money's buying a bunch of calls on AMD, a lot of flow coming in. There's another one called Cheddar, but Black Box is cool, and he has it, and that's a tool we have access to. Is as long as he has time. Most of the time, he'll make the time to answer every and all requests. It's a good group. It's starting to get big, but it's still small enough to where you can get a lot of one-on-one attention. So I'd recommend that. Check out my video links for the link to that academy. And there's all kind of courses and lectures within it. It is like a college course. And then of course you get access to the private Discord as well. You're gonna get, especially if you're a young guy, a lot of the members, I would say, are young men between the ages of 20 and 35. It's mostly guys. I'm a mod in the women's section. There's more than a few. There's good, I would say maybe 8%, 10% women in there, but it's mostly young men, and they have a good time, and they cut up and make a lot of jokes, and it's fun. It's fun. Here I am, like, I'm in my 40s, and I'm in there shucking and jiving with these 20-year-old, cutting up. But it's all good. Nobody cares. We're all on one page. We're all on the same team, and it's a good team to be a part of. If you want to learn more about that, just leave a comment in any of my videos. I'd be happy to point you in the right direction. I even did a review of the Academy. Look through my list of videos, and you can see the review that I did on the Academy. It's worth it if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, and you want to learn the tips and tricks and save yourself a whole lot of heartache from learning the hard way, meaning learning the hard way by losing a whole bunch of money, which you can look at it as paying your tuition, so to speak. But if you can avoid blowing a whole bunch of money by making what they call rookie mistakes or noob mistakes, by participating in a group that's going to help get you laser focused on proper risk management, then it's something that will pay for itself 10 times over. Not only that, but you're going to save yourself hours and hours of time that you can waste on these BS courses and whatnot. He's taken a lot of the major courses. He took the Ricky Gutierrez course. He took the Tim Sykes course. I mean, these cost big mega bucks. And after taking all these courses and of course reading a lot of books, he created what he considered to be the best of all those courses for a lot less money and a lot less fluff, okay? Cut through all the BS, and he believes it's the best academy course out there. And I haven't taken any other courses, so I can't compare it, but I know it's the best value out there for sure. I'm not going to go out and pay Tim Sykes $3,000 or I like Jeremy, but Jeremy's course is off the charts right now. I know it's over $5,000 for financial education for his private mentorship. Okay. The group I'm in, he was in all of those and just kind of cherry picked all the best of it and created his own course. And he live streams every Monday through Friday at 9:15, which for the most part, that's not too bad. It's right before the market opens fully, not pre-market, but we got 15 minutes to chat before the market officially opens, and then you can ask questions and we live stream through that first hour of market open. If you want to come check that out, drop a comment. I'll help you jump on that. I will help you get started as part of the team. Let's see what Doge is doing. Or did we break 3 cents? Man, we're right there, baby. Come on, let's go. We're right there. That's a red candle. That right there, see that? That's a hammer candle. That's actually good. Usually, this is really breaking all the rules, but usually a hammer is a good, see how it looks like a hammer with the handle? That's usually a sign it's about to pop up. This one here means indecision. And then of course green is good. And you got this red, but this hammer, that's a good sign. Come on, let's pop over 3 cents. But if it drops, I won't be surprised because a lot of people have sell orders placed for that 3 cent mark. There we go. We hit it, baby. Come on, 3 cents, baby. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. All right, it's turning from a hammer doji into something, maybe something else. I hope it stays a hammer doji. And the next candle we have is green. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See who's chatting on here. Guys, if you're here, watch. I see you guys are here watching. Say something in the live chat. You can ask me some questions. Let me know how much Dogecoin you have, if you have any. Let me know how much Dogecoin you have. I have a redonkulous amount. So count. Scroll down here. I have 70,000 shares. 70,000 Dogecoin. 70,500 to be exact. at 0.044 average cost, which is high. I'm down like 1,000. It's fine. My Bitcoin's going up a little bit. And I think Ethereum's going to go up too. It's all going to balance out. It's all good. It's all good in the hood. That's good. That's a hammer doji, guys. We about to pop. That is a good sign. We got green candles about to come. Woo! There we go, baby. Told ya. I hope it's a big one, too. I hope it's not one of these little ones. And then we keep going sideways. We need to go to the moon. Let's go. Let's go. It's doing that kind of like that cup. Now if we pop down and make a handle, that's a cup and handle. And usually a cup and a handle pops to the upside. See that little cup formation? This right here, this is a cup. If it pops down and makes a handle, it's probably going to pop up here. Love to see that. Love to see that. I don't know how long they're going to let me stream for. I'm new on YouTube, but I'm working on getting my first 1,000 subscribers. So by watching, guys, you're helping me get to that goal, and I appreciate that so much. I appreciate your support. Please ask me some questions if you'd like. If not, you can just watch Doge with me and we can chill. I got Freedom here. Let's lift her up. Freedom's like, what's up? Yeah. Okay, thank you. Oh. Okay, thank you. Freedom's like, what's up? What's up with the Dogecoin? What's up? Come on, make a bigger candle than that for me. We're like right at 3 cents. We're right at 3 cents, baby. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Rocket fuel. Let's go. Please don't drop back down. Come on, guys. I know you can do better than that. This should be a green candle. What's going on? Nobody wants to see that. Oh, see? Hits the 3 cent. And people sell out. Origami hands, man. Origami hands. Origami hands. Origami hands. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin USD. Bitcoin is down a little bit. It's down a little bit, but it's popping up. It's popping up. Let's zoom in a little bit on here. See what's going on. That's listed as a buy. Bitcoin is always a good buy. That's a buy and hold forever and ever and ever. That is a buy and hold forever. Let's see. What's going on? Okay. So she's down a little bit. Which means buy more. Buy more. It's almost always listed as a buy. Long-term bullish. Long-term bullish. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's look at Ethereum. Right here. Ethereum. Kraken. That's a cool name for a crypto. Release the Kraken. It's at 1365. That's gonna go over 15 real soon. Full show. For show. Now it's doing this little indecision thing. That candle is indecision. When it's got long wicks on both ends. But I hope it's indecision on a positive side. Here we go. Come on, let's build a nice big green soldier. Let's build a nice big green soldier. Guys, if you're watching, say hello. You're letting me off easy, guys. You're not asking me any hard questions. I gave you an open forum to ask me whatever you want. You're letting me off too easy. I want to share the knowledge. Share the knowledge. Come on, let's build a big green candle on this bad boy. Come on, let's stay solid over that 3 cent mark. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, there's a nice little green candle. Ah, come on. Come on, sellers, you're killing me, smalls. You're killing me. Come on, buyers. Let's get that buying pressure going. Guys, I bought in hard, okay, at the top. So I don't have anything to feel bad about. My average is 0.044, okay? So the least you all can do is buy in at the 2 cent mark and help a girl out. Help the Doge fly to the moon. Help the Doge fly to the moon. But what it's building is it's building a cup and handle. See that cup? And now we got a handle. Man, this pattern is usually will hit a resistance about here, and then it'll spike up. Please do it, please. I got 2 people watching and 50 playbacks. Nobody wants to chat live. You just want to watch it later. Or maybe those are people that hopped on that don't realize it's still live. I'm still live, guys. I'm live. Ask away. Ask away. We can do a little candlestick pattern tutorial here. This is another hammer doji. See how it looks like a hammer? And see how it went up after that? Here's another one. See that nice hammer? Perfect hammer. Boom, popped up. Here's another one. Popped up. So usually when you see it, it's good sign. I'm feeling good about this. I just have to be patient. Long term, I feel good about it. I'm good. Hope you guys are good too. I hope you're holding. Diamond hands, guys. Diamond hands. Yeah, it's doing a little baby cup and handle, but one nonetheless. Let's see if that plays out to our benefit on the upside. Let's look at my account again. This is a free sneak peek at all my stock picks here. I'll show you one I have. Let me see. This one here, Electrocore. I found out about this from Trading with CJ. Check that out. That's down right now. This one's going to be huge. They have technology that helps with cluster headaches and migraines. This is cool stuff. Check Ecor out. At this price, $2.60. That's a great buy-in price on that. And Tattoo Chef is at a good price too. You know that's going up. You guys already know. I bought it at $23.97 and I thought I got a steal. It's at $23.10. I sold a bunch of my positions. My Robinhood had a whole lot more in it. But I sold a bunch out because I was kind of teed off. I was a little teed off at the Robinhood shenanigans. I'm sure you guys were too. A lot of people switched over. If you guys want a Weeble link, I posted that in the description of all my videos, except for this one because I'm live. But as soon as I end the live, I will go back and put the links for Weeble. I'm not putting Robinhood links anymore because I don't recommend Robinhood. I don't recommend them. I never really did. I did have a link for it. I don't want to always talk about that. Oh, get your 4 free stocks if you join. Blah blah blah. Everybody on YouTube wants to do this whole advertisement and try to get their side hustle, and like it's like the whole first 5 minutes of the video is, oh, join my this, join my that, get your free stocks, buy your life insurance, get your car washed. Like nobody clicked on your video to listen to that for 5 minutes. There's a big YouTuber, his is like 8 minutes long, the spiel about the Patreon and all of that. I don't have any of that stuff. I jump in other people's live streams and stuff like that, other people's Discords. I don't have enough time to manage a Discord right now. If the channel gets big enough, I may possibly start one, and it will be for free. I'm not going to charge for it. But right now I'm in some other ones. I'm at CJ. Trading with CJ has a free Discord. Capitalist Academies isn't free, but the first month is free right now. So you can get in that for a month and check that out for a whole month for free. And then there's some other ones. Another good one is Best of Us Investors. If you guys haven't listened to Kerry Grinkmeyer on Best of Us Investors, I really like him because I like the biotech stock updates that he does. He is like kind of like flying under the radar as one of the best on YouTube because he actually is a retired financial advisor. So check that out, Best of Us Investors. He has some great stock picks, and he asks you to join his Discord. But if you watch his videos for long enough, like watch his whole videos, and they're really long. Some of them are like 30 minutes long. He says, join my Discord, I'll show you my portfolio. And like halfway through, it's funny because like halfway through some of his videos, he'll just put his portfolio up in the middle of the video, and you can see everything that's on his portfolio for free. But what he does, he donates that money that he gets for the Discord to memory of his daughter who he lost to cancer. So that's a beautiful thing. He actually has a fund set up for cancer research, something to that effect. So I can't begrudge him for that. But anyway, my channel, I don't hit you with a whole lot of this, that, and the other thing. I get straight into the meat and potatoes, and I would appreciate a subscribe because it really does help out a small YouTuber, helps my channel grow. Alright guys, I've been on for an hour. Let's see what Doge is at. Right now she's at 3 cents. Hopefully we keep moving up, guys. Have a great weekend. If you have any questions about anything I talked about, please leave it in the comments below, and I will answer each and every question. If you're a new upcoming YouTuber, leave your information in the comments section. I'll be happy to give you a shout out, and I'll stop by and subscribe as well. Guys, have a great weekend, okay? Peace.